I'm sorry, guys, but I'm eating a delicious sandwich and a delicious taco at the same time. But that was just, something that I wanted to give y'all. I don't know why I wanted to say that, but that's how I am. That's how I'm coming. So check it out. Cashpirates. I don't know why people don't talk about it. Probably a few people that talk about it. But at the same time, I like this app because this app is consistently pumping out bread, man. And it's consistently smooth and it stayed the same. And at the same time, I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Maybe it is for both. I can probably get into that a little bit. I kind of want to get into Cashpirates. It's not going to be kind of short, but it's not going to, I wouldn't say it'll be a very long video, but, it'll be a little longer than the usual, lately that I've been putting out. But, excuse me, Cashpirates, man, I like it, love it, because it's free, no money out your pocket, residual cash. It's been around. I've been in probably what? Let's go. Been in it. It's 2019. About 3 years, 4 years. I think this program been around longer than that, guys. And once you get your referrals, I give you an example. My referrals, once upon a time, was pumping me bread. I remember when I really kind of didn't believe in Cashpirates when I first got in, but I still made, a few videos. But all this is me, right? You don't see not one referral. That's because my referrals haven't been doing anything lately. The point I'm making is, if you promoting this and keep promoting this and get new people in, your referrals, and then, definitely whenever your referrals start working again and getting back on the grind, you making, residual, free money, no money out your pocket, because the only thing you making is time out of it and money. But the thing is, really, it's residual because you got a first and a second level. Let's get right to the levels, see what's going on with that, man. Let's get right to it in a minute. It's loading, all right. I didn't really want to show her face, but shout out to you. I'm trying to find it for you guys. All right, okay, now I know what I want to talk about. So, as you can see, I got 10% up there for my first level. And I don't know why I have like a 12 and then a 5. I don't know what that means. But I got a lot of referrals. That's all I know. Well, I won't say a lot, but a lot or enough, right now, but that's why I'm going at it right now again, guys. But for the first level, you get 10%, right? So you like 10%, Let's say if somebody's pulling out, it ain't even about like what one person pulling out. Let's say if somebody's bringing in 10 people a day, and they all grinding, they all grinding, I mean, sky's the limit. Sky is the limit. They all grinding. And the crazy thing about it is, they giving you 10% every time. And then when they bring people in, they giving you 5%. But I don't really want to get too much into it, but this is what I mainly do. I mainly go here and I'll scroll all the way down, and man, it's loading so bad. I'll scroll all the way down and find something that'll say, download this and keep it for 3 days. See, there's something like this one. Open the app to see like that one run. find, run, and keep this app for 3 days. But that's search. But it'll be one to download, you know. See, that'll be another one I download right there. And then I download the points, guys. That's it. Self-explanatory. Come join. Let's get it.